Today is my nephew's 5th birthday, and I'm going to show you how many options I have to buy cake in my town. It is really hot today, but I have my umbrella. But even though I have my umbrella, it's still very hot. But I think that's fine. I'm used to it by now. Check here first for the cake. They have a Goldilocks bake shop here, and they have cakes, birthday cakes here. The prices of the cakes in Goldilocks are actually affordable, but before buying there I still need to check the other bake shop, because the other bake shop has nicer cakes, I think. The cakes in here are actually almost the same price, and I actually like their designs more, especially this chocolate one. They are preparing for the cake. I need to buy something here. This is actually also a grocery store. The cake shop is just renting on this grocery. I actually like this one. It's like a Filipino delicacy. This is actually what I was looking for here. It's like a ginger tea. I really like drinking this because I cannot drink like soda or coffee in the morning, so I'd rather drink this. Actually bought the larger cake so that it can last them a little bit longer. Now I'm going to buy some number balloons, or those custom balloons with number signs or number shapes on it, because it's his actually 5th birthday, so I tried to buy the number 5 balloon. balloon and this cake topper because it's so cute. And I'm really sweating a lot right now, and thankfully I'm done. So that's it. These are the stuff that I bought, and hopefully this is enough for the cake. I think this is just all for the cake and that turmeric tea. Whose birthday is it?
It's Julia's birthday today.
Yeah, how many years old?
He's now 5 years
Just show
old.
the balloon, show the balloon. That's 2.
5.
No, it's 2. That 1, that's 5. Now let's go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Ano ka? Dong, dong. Happy birthday, dong, dong. Hi. And that's it for the birthday celebration. I hope they like the cake because I think it was one of the most affordable cakes in here. But it smells good and I tasted it and it tastes good, I think. So that's all for today.